Good day, everyone. Today, I will talk about something that connects us all: communication. Communication is more than just talking, it is a process of sharing ideas, feelings, and information with others. Without it, there would be no understanding, no cooperation, and no progress. Communication comes in many forms: verbal, nonverbal, written, and digital. Verbal communication includes speaking and listening. For example, a classroom discussion helps us learn exchanging ideas. Nonverbal communication involves gestures, facial expression, and body language, which often speak louder than words. Written communication include letters, emails, and text message, which allows us to share information even when we are far apart. And of course, digital communication through social media and video calls make it possible to connect with people anywhere in the world instantly. Why is communication important? Because it builds relationship, solve problems, and help us express who we are. In school, clear clear communication between teachers and students makes learning effective. In the workplace, it helps teams succeed. And in daily life, communication is the bridge that connects us with family and friends. However, communication is not just only about sending message, it's also about listening. A good communicator is also a good listener. Listening shows respect and creates understanding. So, in conclusion, communication is the key to connection, growth, and success. Whether face to face or online, or gestures, listening or speaking, we all need it to live and work together. So, let us always strive and communicate clearly, respectfully, and with empathy, because better communication leads to a better world. Thank you.